Previous video we learned about the shadow. Now here another topic comes, that is pinhole camera. So in this video we'll try to understand about pinhole camera, what are the parts it has, how it works, okay, what kind of image it forms. Then after that we'll be learning about the characteristic of image which this pinhole camera usually forms. Okay, so these things we'll be learning in this video. Now see, the pinhole camera is the simplest camera and it does not consist of any lens. There is no glass like structure is there. Most of the camera there is the presence of lens, but here in this pinhole camera there is no lens at all. So it is the simplest camera without any lens. And the next one is that its working is based on the fact that light always travels in a straight line, that is rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, then if you talk about the parts of this pinhole camera, it consists of a box which is light proof, and then on one of its side a hole is present. Okay, a tiny hole is present, and just behind this tiny hole the screen is present, okay, on which the image is formed. Then again comes here, whatever the lights from any of the objects, what happens is that the objects reflect the light. That light, when falls on this pinhole, then it passes through pinhole, and that light forms the image on the screen. Okay, and the image formed by this pinhole camera is always inverted. You can see in the figure also, tree is like this. Now the image which is formed is inverted. Okay, tree is like this, then it is inverted here. Okay, so the nature of the image which the pinhole camera forms is always inverted. Then again after that comes next. Now we need to understand here that smaller the pinhole, sharper the image which is formed on the screen. If you make the pinhole, this hole, larger or wider, then what will happen is that it will produce a large number of patches which may overlap, and the final image which is produced, okay, will be blurred. Okay, we won't be able to see properly. Now then after that comes the characteristics of the image which is formed by the pinhole camera. As I told you that the image formed by this pinhole camera is always inverted. Then it forms, the image which it forms is the real image. The real image means the image which is formed by the actual intersection of light. And then the image can be diminished or can be enlarged, means maybe bigger or maybe smaller. Okay, so this is about pinhole camera. Now in the next video we will be discussing about eclipse. Okay, in this video this much, student. Thank you.